Generally speaking, all parts on your scooters are adjustable, and that means that you can fix them at home, make the necessary changes to keep you going on the road longer. When it comes to a SwiftyONE, it comes fully assembled. All of the parts that you can see here are adjustable. So I'm just going to point out a few things that customers have had problems with in the past. The steering angle of the stem, which is this part, we call this part the stem. This part is the folding stem and this part is the head tube. The angle of the handlebar going backwards and forwards is completely adjustable. There are 4 bolts on the front here, and there's also 2 bolts on the side. The 2 bolts on the side allow you to adjust the angle of the handlebar in relation to the front wheel. So if it looks like it's misaligned, all you need to do is slacken off these 2 bolts, align up the steering, and then tighten them back up. That's dead easy. In terms of the angle of the handlebar here, how forwards or backwards, and I would recommend it similar to this that you can see set up here. So it's quite a nice, comfortable ride. You just adjust the 4 bolts on the front, make the necessary change and tighten them back up. When it comes to the auto twisting stem quick release clamp, which you can see here, sometimes that can become loose, and so when you're in the riding position, this will slide down on its own. It's really easy to fix. All you need to do is adjust the screw on the back to apply more tension, which you can do with your hand or use an Allen key, and that will make the clamp work harder when you close it into this position. That's all you need to do to adjust it. If you found that your toggle has become misaligned and this part goes into the footplate to provide the connection in the folded position, if you find that it's become misaligned or it doesn't fit very well, I've just loosened this now. It is adjustable, so the bolt on the side, which you can see here, allows it to freely move up and down. A top tip on how to get that aligned into the hole that it's supposed to locate is to do it while it's actually loose, and if you then twist the toggle so it's in the closed position and pinch those 2 parts together, then tighten up the bolt that you see on the side here. That will make sure that the clamp is nice and square to the footplate, and it will mean that it locates absolutely perfectly. That's how to adjust your toggle clamp. So that's how to adjust some of the parts of your SwiftyONE or Swifty Air or Swifty Zero. The principles are generally the same, the way that parts go together. All you need really is a set of Allen keys. If we haven't covered anything in this video that you still would like us to answer, please leave a comment below or send us an email. And yeah, we're here to help, so let the good times ride and roll.